Tired of juggling Sarbanes-Oxley deadlines while praying your audit trail doesn't unravel? The Financial Compliance Pack crushes financial compliance chaos with precision tools. SOX reporting frameworks with dynamic controls mapping, interactive audit simulations that mirror Big Four protocols, a regulatory templates library covering 10Ks to 8Ks, and an AI knowledge base tracking 2023 SEC updates. Compliance officers, internal auditors, and risk managers, this is your Swiss Army knife for beating deadlines, reducing filing errors, and sleeping through audit season. No more all-nighters with spreadsheets named God forbid .xlsx. Here's what's inside the Financial Compliance Pack. Data preparation with SOX-aligned controls mapping. Real-time audit simulations featuring SEC comment letter scenarios. Regulatory templates preloaded with XBRL tagging. AI-driven gap analysis tools for 404-302 compliance. Automated documentation workflows with version-controlled audit trails. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn regulatory chaos into audit-ready clarity. Installing the Financial Compliance Pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add financial compliance pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow, SOX reporting modules, audit simulation engines, and 50 plus regulatory templates. Your next Claude code session auto-loads the compliance frameworks. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent Reg G and IFRS 9. No more, I think it's compliant, moments. This installs quicker than your CFO's bonus spreadsheet.